Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burritos. First, select your favorite protein, such as seasoned ground beef or black beans, and cook it thoroughly. Next, chop fresh vegetables like bell peppers and onions, then sauté them until tender. Remember to warm your tortillas for about 15 seconds each in a microwave or on a dry skillet to prevent tearing during assembly. This preparation ensures a perfect, pliable wrap. Now, let's talk about the core components. Opt for large flour tortillas, ideally around 10 inches, to hold all your delicious fillings. For your protein, whether it's a pound of seasoned ground beef or 2 cups of hearty black beans, ensure it's cooked and flavorful. Don't forget your fresh toppings. Shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a generous amount of shredded cheese add essential texture and taste to every bite. Assembling your burrito is an art. Start by laying a warm tortilla flat, then add a base layer of rice or beans down the center. Next, spoon your cooked protein and sautéed vegetables over the base. Now, pile on your fresh toppings like lettuce, tomatoes, and cheese, along with any sauces you desire. Remember to leave about 1.5 inches clear on the sides for easy folding, ensuring everything stays neatly tucked inside. To achieve that perfect burrito, fold the 2 opposite sides of the tortilla inward, then roll it tightly from the bottom up, creating a compact package. For an extra touch, you can grill or pan-fry your burrito for a few minutes on each side until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. This step adds a wonderful texture and helps seal everything together. Enjoy your delicious creation. And for easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for these fantastic leak-proof containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.